Control access to design data and enhance team productivity by allowing your entire team to participate in the design process concurrently. By enabling concurrent design, Autodesk Vault allows your team to balance its resources, helping you to finish projects faster and meet your tight deadlines. Concurrent working means that designers can work on the same project, even the same assembly, at the same time. In this example, Paul needs to make some changes to a part design. When Paul logs into the Vault, he can quickly check the status of the design and sees that the assembly containing the part is available to be checked out. At the same time, Luke also needs to make some design changes to a different part in the same assembly. When Luke logs in, the Vault browser makes it immediately clear Paul is already working in this assembly. But that's not a problem. Paul's change is for a different part, so both designers are able to work concurrently on the assembly together without the risk of overwriting one another's files. Not only does this make design communication faster and easier, but Paul and Luke can see each other's changes as they happen. When Paul is done with his updates, he checks his changes back into the Vault. Luke can continue, confident that he is the only one editing his part and that the assembly is completely up to date. Whether your teammates are in another cubicle or another continent, concurrent design can help you work more closely than ever before.